Hey guys, it's Eric from the Impact team, and in this video tutorial I just want to walk through the simple process of cloning a page from one of your own websites. And of course you can do this an unlimited number of times, so you could include, I guess you could clone an entire website one page at a time if you like. But ever since Seth created the Wikipedia clone video, we've actually noticed a lot of our users starting to clone their own websites, web pages. So like if let's say you have a web page from an old HTML site, just a real basic HTML site, or maybe it's a WordPress website, like in the case that I'm going to do right now. It's super easy just to grab the page source, make a few adjustments in Impact, and actually completely clone your page. So let's run through the process right now. Now, as you can see right here, this is actually an old WordPress website that I've had up for years. Actually, I think it's running an old iThemes theme. It's not Frugal, but like I said, it's years old, so it was pre-Frugal, and basically, I used to be a computer consultant and in my hometown, and I had a website, let people get in contact with me. Now I've recently adjusted it so people can just call me and I can connect people with some of my local tech colleagues to help them out and everything. But the point is, it's just an old WordPress website, and I was curious if I wanted to take this page and grab it in and put it into Impact, how it would come out. So let's first start with the process of grabbing the page source. Now, the general idea here is to grab the or view the page source, and generally what you want to do is pretty much start at the style sheets, and of course all the page source is going to look different. So in this case there's style sheets and whatnot, so I'm starting at the style sheets and going all the way down to the end of the footer divs. So I'm going to copy that page source, and then I'm going to go to my WordPress dashboard where Impact is installed, and I'm going to go ahead and create a new Impact template. So if we go to the template builder, this is just a basic, Impact page right here. I'm going to, I want to actually kill all of this. I want to do basically a clean slate. So I'm going to go to my template custom CSS and go to Impact page wrap and do or type in display none. As you can see, it totally wipes it clean. And then I'm going to save this as clone. You can save it as whatever you want, but that's what I named this template. All right, so then I'm going to go to Impact Hooks, and I'm going to paste into this box all that custom or all that page source that I copied from my old WordPress web page. And then I'm going to save this. I'm going to save it's the clone template, and I'm going to save it before page wrap. That way it's going to just, display before all the stuff that I just wiped out earlier. So then you're going to click Save Hookbox, and that's that. Okay, so all I've done so far is created a basic Impact page template, set display none to the page wrap so it wipes everything out, and then pasted in the page source into the box and Impact Hooks, and saved it as a hook before the page wrap. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new page in WordPress. I'll just call this clone. And I'm just going to go down here and I'm going to turn on Impact, and I'm going to select the clone template, and I'm going to publish. And then I'm going to go to my regular website, refresh the page. You'll see there's the clone page. And when I click on clone, there it is. As you can see, it's pretty much exactly the same. If I scroll back, actually, there's a little bit of a line height difference, but actually, Impact has a little higher line height or greater line height than the old site, apparently. This is something you could go in and adjust if you wanted to. I think actually this looks much better with a little more line height. But basically, when you do this, you may see some minor differences, and if you do, you can then use something like Firebug, as we mentioned before, to maybe go through and find how to make the change to make them look identical. And then if you find those changes, you can go to the custom CSS for that template and add it in and make it exact. Or like I said, you may find that the cloned version looks even better with the minor differences, or it might come out exactly the same. But the point is, with copying and pasting some page source and creating a very basic Impact page template, I was able to clone a WordPress web page in a matter of minutes using Impact. So hope you found this helpful, and have a great day.